All right, what's up, my people? This is Victor Isibor once again, back on the review. If it's your first time coming across this YouTube channel, here we make reviews of make money online and offline opportunities. If stuff like this is what brings you to YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my subsequent uploads. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. Like in the military, it's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. This is Core Various Part 2, the concluding part. Now, trust me, everything you need to know about Core Various, we have already talked about it and covered it in Part 1. But Part 1 was based off of all the raw information about Core Various as sent to me by their marketing representatives. And of course, we scanned all the necessary scanning that we need to do. Everything is in Part 1. Okay, but a lot of people would say, oh, the review is not complete without you coming to their website. This is just for formality basis. Okay, let's just see their website. We have already done a comprehensive review. This is just a website overview. All right, they say this is the corevarious.com website, and they talked about being decentralized. They talk about being secure. They talk about their smart contract being verified. Go and watch the Part 1. We have already dissected all this. They said check the current state of the Core Various smart contract. We already checked the raw smart contract. We saw the balance and everything in Part 1. Now they said we will multiply your funds unlimited without any risk. Okay, this... Let me counterpunch. This is a red flag. Okay? Anything that is able to make you money can take your money. All right? So when a website tells you that there is zero risk, but there is money to be made, you have to run. Okay? Those that are cashing out big time massively without any risk are probably the network marketers who don't put in any amount or put in the minimal amount, then refer a truckload of people, earn all the bonuses, and they are sitting pretty without taking any risk. Okay, now those that are at the bottom of the food chain, at the bottom of the pyramid, are those that don't know how to refer, and they see an exciting screenshot of earnings by network marketers who have over 1 million people in their team, and they jump in. Meanwhile, they cannot refer one person. They think it's passive income, not knowing it's active income. They are the ones that are going to have their fingers burnt by the time all the liquidity in the smart contract is wiped out. They will now start seeing. Now, they said reliability of a DAO smart contract, and they say scam is not possible. No, sir. If you watch the Part 1, we have been able to paint a scenario where there is a possibility of scam. Okay, it's a smart contract. Yes, we know, but we do not know the codes that were put into the building of the smart contract. We do not know the kind of access and powers that the developers have when they were building up the code that, that formed or generated the smart contract. Okay, scam is not possible, but scam is not the only way people can lose money. Okay, there are the network marketers that brought in all the people, that brought in all the money that is in the smart contract. They can legitimately see another project that offers them more bonuses and take everybody out. And when everybody moves out, they move out with all their money, and the liquidity pool that they have, the entire liquidity in the smart contract goes to zero. That's the end. Ask yourself what happened to all the smart contracts that we used to see some 6-7 years ago, based on Tron, based on Ethereum smart contract, different ones that will tell you bring one, bring two, you get N so and so bonus and all that. Where are they today? The same story. Okay. Now, they say the smart contract ensures full safety of all participants' funds. Nobody can steal funds or change contract functions. Let's assume that nobody can steal funds, but people can withdraw their money. Recruitment can slow down. This is a referral-based opportunity, and the entire money in the pool is what ensures that everybody gets what they are supposed to get as at when due. The question is, when there is no money in that pool, what happens? All right, go and watch Part 1. All right, you can see that they said get the benefit. Okay, they don't know how to spell benefit. They call it benefit. I'm just analyzing the website. All the work has been done in part 1. Okay, they said when you sign up, you get some free DAO. Of course, we touched about all this. They seem to have it very difficult spelling benefit. They call it benefit, and it sounds a little bit funny. Okay, so this is just an overview of their website. Okay, this particular smart contract, go and watch part 1. We opened this smart contract. We saw the entire money amount of core that is in there, all the going in and all the going out. We saw it. We were able to see the personal wallet of the person that created this smart contract. We were able to see it. And I also taught you guys how to track monies going in and out of the owner's wallet so that you can stay afloat and be careful so that you don't fall a victim. Smart contracts come, smart contracts go. I also let you know how to know when this smart contract is about to disappear, what to look out for. Everything was done in part 1. Okay, forget all these benefits that they are writing. Let me spell benefit for them so that they will know it is benefit. Okay, benefit, not benefit. All right, so if you want to trust your funds with a project that cannot spell something as simple as benefits, then it's all on you. Now, look in the description of this video. You have access to my WhatsApp group where I recommend non-custodial make money online opportunities where you don't give your money to anybody, where referral is optional. You don't have to bring 1, bring 2 to earn. Just have your capital, and your capital is working for you passively. You don't have to bring your entire village. Okay, that'll be all from me. This part 2 is only telling you people to go and watch part 1. Thank you. I remain Victor Isibor. Till I see you in the next one. I'm out.